This guy must have made over 1 crore rupees by using an AI tool to restore old photos, and this guy over here made over more than $1 million by publishing children's book. And not just that, this guy made over $25,000 a month by writing blogs using AI. In fact, I have made over 70,000 rupees by using AI to write content. Hey there, this is Astro here, and today in this video we'll go over a few proven ways you can make money using AI right from the comfort of your home, from anywhere, anytime. Whether you are a college student or a full-time employee, if you can keep aside a few hours every day for a couple of weeks or months, you can make a living out of AI using the methods mentioned in this video. And if that sounds interesting, let's jump right in. First up, let's start with the simple one that requires almost no skill at all, and that is photo restoration using AI. Well, what exactly is a photo restoration and how does it work? Photo restoration is a process of restoring an old photo. Basically, you will use an AI tool to convert and process a photo taken in the 80s, 90s or even before, which is blurry or almost mutilated, and bring it back to life, add colors and make it look fresh. These guys on Fiverr provide photo restoration services and make thousands of dollars every month, and just by looking at the current order in queue, you could tell how popular the whole service is. To get started, all you need to do is use an AI photo restoration tool to restore, enhance, upscale an image and sell the service on Fiverr. And as for the AI restoration tool, I will mention a few of them in the description below, which are completely free to use, so go check them out yourself. Next up is blogging with AI, that is writing blog posts using AI. But it's not as simple as generating a huge block of text using an AI tool and then directly publishing onto your blog. Well, that doesn't work anymore, and there's something more you need to do to make money out of it. Let's picture this. What is the first thing you do when you want to find a piece of information, know more about a topic, or want to find a solution to a problem? Just like any others, you will also open Google search for the topic and click on a random search results, right? And every blue links you see on Google are actually articles written by someone. Now you can use an AI tool to write such content, humanize the content by heavily editing it, doing grammar check, factually correcting everything and finally publishing it on your blog. For writing the actual content, you can use any AI tool such as ChatGPT, Claude AI or Jasper, or pretty much any other AI writing services out there. The key point here is to heavily edit the content and humanize the text before uploading and publishing it on your blog. And again, if you don't know how to start a blog or how to write an article using AI, just click on the I button somewhere over here or click the link in the description below to find more. And once you have enough traffic to your blog, you can go ahead and apply it to a premium display advertisement network like Mediavine or Raptive, show advertisements and make money out of it. And just like as you can see in the screen, this is the kind of money that you can make by showing advertisements on your blog. So that's that. Next up is Pinterest with a pinch of AI. For starters, let me introduce what exactly is Pinterest. So Pinterest is basically a visual search engine similar to Google, but instead of blue links and text, Pinterest shows you a bunch of images for the search query. And as of now, Pinterest has well over 500 million monthly active users, and majority of users on Pinterest are from United States, which is actually a gold mine for making money from content websites or maybe from affiliate links as well. To give you a context, for every 1,000 visitors you get from India, you will make somewhere around 150 rupees, and for the exact same 1,000 people that you get from the United States, you will make upwards of 3,000 rupees, and that's the kind of difference that we're looking at. Okay Astro, that's all great. Well, how to make money from Pinterest, you may ask? Well, there are two ways to go about it. The first method is to use Pinterest to drive traffic to your blog and monetize your blog with advertisements or affiliate marketing and then making money. And the second option is posting affiliate link directly on the platform. Whether you want to drive traffic to your blog or post affiliate links on Pinterest, you will need a lot of pins or images, and this is exactly where AI comes into play. First up, for creating catchy looking images, you can use AI tools such as Midjourney, DALL-E, Copilot Designer, etc. Remember, driving traffic from Pinterest is a volume game, and for that you will need to post a lot of pins, which will require a lot of text and images. Next, open ChatGPT, ask it to create 10 variations of pin title, text to add in the pin and description for each topic. Finally, open Canva, put everything together and create a catchy looking pin and post it on your Pinterest business profile with the link to the affiliate product page or a blog post on your blog. You need to post a lot of pins on Pinterest to find success, and manually creating such voluminous amount of pins on Pinterest is such a tedious process, and this is where AI comes to help you. Next up is making money by selling AI generated children's book, and this guy over here made over $1 million just by selling AI generated children's books. And yes, you heard that right. And again, if you want to learn more about it from him directly, I will make sure to leave the links to the interview in the description below so you can go check them out yourself. Now coming back, you can use AI tools such as ChatGPT, Claude or Jasper to write text content, and DALL-E or Midjourney to create images with consistent styling and assemble it together to create a children's book easily. And once you have the children's book ready, you can sell it on platforms like Amazon or any other e-com platforms. To get started, first you need to do a little bit of groundwork and research to find what kinds of books are popular, the reviews, sales figure, the design, the kind of chapters included, the number of pages, and much more to form an initial idea. And next, you can use AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini to write the textual content. And for images with consistent styling, you may use DALL-E or Midjourney or even Copilot AI. Once you have both the text and images, the next step is to compile, put everything together and form the actual book, and you can then head over to an e-com platform like Amazon KDP and list the product. And as for finding the initial few set of customers, you may want to run paid advertisements on Instagram or Facebook and you're good to go. But do keep in mind that initially you will have to put in some efforts to find the exact kind of book that you want to design, create the outline, generating the chapters, create images with the consistent styling, come up with the book cover, the marketing copies, and much more. So if you are ready to put in some efforts, you can definitely make a lot of money by selling AI generated children's book on Amazon KDP. Next up is selling AI generated APIs on marketplaces such as Rapid API. But what exactly is an API and how does it work? Well, let me explain with the help of an example. Let's say you want to add a specific functionality, something like a QR code generator on your website. Now, instead of you having to code everything right from beginning, you can just use an API from marketplaces such as Rapid API and instantly implement the function on your website. And all it takes is a few clicks and you have a fully functional feature ready on your website. And with each API call, the API will return you back an image for the particular link or text that you passed in. And again, you can find a ton of QR code generators on platforms like Rapid API. Similarly, you can also create an API for anything like returning the weather data, showing the IP address, Instagram scraper, or Amazon real-time price data tracker, and much more. So all you need to do is use AI tools such as ChatGPT or Claude to create an API, host it, and then finally list it on marketplaces such as Rapid API. And every time someone comes and purchases the subscription, you will get a recurring amount of money from the API itself. To create an API, you will need a little bit of coding knowledge, just as to take that code generated by ChatGPT, putting everything together, making minor changes here and there, and finally hosting it and selling it on Rapid API. Once done, you can sell the API as a subscription on platforms like Rapid API and make a recurring money every single month. And most APIs on these platforms cost at least $5 to $6 per month. Next up is faceless YouTube channels using AI. Many people make thousands of dollars every single month by uploading videos to a faceless YouTube channel. And what exactly is this faceless YouTube channel, you ask? Well, it is basically a channel where you upload videos without showing your face or revealing your identity and make money through ads. For example, this is an example of a faceless YouTube channel where the person behind this channel runs it without even showing his or her face. And as you don't need to show your face, this business model is infinitely scalable and you can outsource the whole work or use an AI tool to take care of everything. And now when it comes to creating actual faceless YouTube videos, there are a bunch of AI tools to help, and there are two ways to go about it. The first option is a semi-automated way where you will use ChatGPT or Claude to create a script and use Murf AI for realistic voice generation or voiceover, and then you will find stock footages and images and then use an editing software to put everything together and form that final video. And on the other hand, if you want to automate the entire process, there's an AI tool just for that. Just head over to InVideo.ai, sign up for a new account and head to the AI faceless video generator section. Now enter the main topic and adjust the parameters and submit it. The AI tool will now create a video from scratch and it will take care of everything right from writing the script, finding the stock photos, generating a voiceover, and finally putting and assembling everything together. And once the tool has generated the video, you will be given an option to make minor adjustment, make changes to the script, or replace the stock photos and videos as well. And once you're satisfied with the video, you can go ahead and export it in high quality and then upload it to YouTube right away. Now it's a matter of rinsing and repeat the same process and scale up and produce a lot of videos and uploading it to the YouTube channel. And once you get your faceless YouTube channel monetized, you can make a ton of money from this one. And now these are some amazing methods you can use to make money using AI right from the comfort of your home. So if you can spend say what 1 hour or 2 hours every single day, you can make a living out of AI. And that's pretty much it. Hope you found this video useful. If yes, make sure to subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in the next one.